The death of the ego is the beginning of a new life. This video, which you are going to see, is all about the death of the old and the beginning of the new. There is no theme to this video, there is no title to this video. This video is about life. This video is all about instinctive life project that I do with my students who are eligible and ready to transform themselves into a phoenix, who are ready to die, who are ready to transform, who are ready to be nothing, who are ready to dissolve. There is no sequence, there is no editing, there is no technical aspects to this video. It is the most raw form of live moments that you will see, which I have captured beautifully when it happened in the moment, so that the real energies reach you. How you can die beautifully only in my presence. How death could be so beautiful, so celebrated, so much lively. The death is happening at the same time, new birth is also happening. And that is the beauty of dying in my presence. And without me, this death cannot be possible. And with me, it is impossible to live in the same way, being the same person, being the same ego, being the same personality. That is the cage that you have created. So, watch this video with full attention, with full presence, and the energies in real time will reach you. Some of you who already know me as the most powerful guru will get some real shifts happening in real time, and you will come alive with life. Life is here and now, and here I am to show you the path towards real freedom in real time. Without the light of the Guru, the transformation is not possible, and without this light, the darkness of your mind won't be gone. With my presence, everything is possible, and I am the light. Sanju is the life. Sanju is the life frequency. Sanju is the hope. With Sanju, everything is possible. Without Sanju, nothing is possible. So, the new calling is Sanju. With energetic mastery method, instinctive life project, I am here to change everything. Bye bye. Watch every moment with your full presence and feel the wonder called life. Feel the presence called Sanju. Feel the presence called light. Life itself is unfolding in front of you. And if you can understand the frequency of life, you will no more sit doing and living life which your mind says. You will get out, you will take steps, you can just start living without thinking. Start feeling life. Feel life right now, right here with me. And this video is going to change your life. I guarantee that. So be yourself, enjoy, and just be nothing to enjoy fully. Life is a celebration. Where are you? Today is the celebration of freedom, celebration of love, celebration of life. Instinctive Life Project is all about enjoying everything that the universe has given you and a combination of good of all the world. So experience this joy. Something unique, something powerful is opening up. This video that you are watching now is just the beginning and the ending, the celebration of the death of the ego and the celebration of beginning of a new life. The real video clips you will see in this total video, and what you are seeing as the introduction is actually the end of the death of the ego and the beginning of a new life of my student who came all from Denmark to celebrate his death and gave his life to the Guru who will kill him. And now after his death, he is here to celebrate and welcome the new life which is calling. This magnanimous view is just symbolic that the universe, that the water and everything is celebrating with you. What you can ask for more. The Instinctive Life Project, the end of the Phoenix Project, where he has become a phoenix by killing his old self. I killed him. I made him die and gave him the new life. And now is the Instinctive Life Project, beginning of the Instinctive Life Project, where he will train his brain and nervous system to live this way. This was just the glimpse of the kind of life you can live. He learned from me. And I am in the most raw form as usual. The instinctive. My joy knows no bound because I am successful as a guru to kill him and give him new life. If you too want to get killed, then you have to come to me. But before that, you have to connect to me for more transformation, preparation, which will allow you to be nothing. He is somewhere wandering here, living his life and not getting identified anymore with anyone. He is nobody. And that is why this project is a super success. Whenever you give intention to something which is the highest in the world, in the universe conspires to make it happen. I made this freedom happen with my powers. I have the power to move your Kundalini. I have the power to free you. I have the power to make you live the new life which you cannot live on your own. So enjoy this total video, which could feel like a movie unfolding with different moments of freedom, different realizations, and as you see yourself instead of me or my expression, that a part of you, a part of your soul is telling you again and again and again and again that what you are doing with your life. Start living your life. Stop living the life of the matrix. Stop living the life of the jail. Stop living. You are not at all living. You are just wasting your life. And this I am telling loudly. You are just wasting. Spirituality and spiritual knowledge, for spiritual coverage is a mask that you have taken to waste life. In the name of spirituality, you are doing nothing. You are wasting your life. And I know it. He is in wonder there, enjoying there. And I am here to tell you the truth about everything. So, have a great day. Bye bye. And just enjoy. Life is here and now. Where are you? Get healed. You have seen the light. Now enjoy the darkness. And after the dark night of the soul, the light of consciousness is going to shine.
Hello. Good to see you.
Welcome, welcome.
Wow.
Just relax.
Okay.
Just relax.
I can take it.
Yes, just come. We will sit there. You can relax.
It was a long trip.
Yes. Yes. This is a physical project with one of my students from Denmark. He has just landed and he want to share something about the most weird thing he has done in his life twice. So let me have him and he will speak.
First thing, meeting my wife, asking her to marry me the day after, and she said yes. I've been married now for 45 years. and loved every minute of it. And now this going to the physical project here also.
After how many years you're traveling?
After 40 years or so. Yeah.
And how did you feel coming here? And what
Uh,
are you feeling right now?
Now it's blissful and
Guru is here.
yeah. So everything is good now. But the travel from here was with a lot of resistance
And what you were going through in the last minute before coming here? Lot of resistance, lot of blockages.
yeah, lot of old vasanas coming up.
And
Yeah.
you have been doing the same thing again and he has been doing the same thing again and again for the last 40 years until he met me. After he met me, he started doing everything that is totally different, unique, and I'm going to dismantle everything.
Thanks.
Age doesn't matter, but to know that he is how much is your body's weight age.
67.
So at 67, he is here to dismantle himself and he has surrendered himself completely. It requires lot of courage, lot of guts to surrender to the Guru, and he has surrendered completely and ready to become a child again. And this is the beauty. That is why physical project with the Guru is extremely important. And
Traveling 15 hours in an airplane to lose everything. It's perfect.
so what he is saying is he has not come to gain anything. Traveling 15 hours from Denmark to here, losing everything is perfectly fine. And he is full of joy, enjoying every bit of this moment. This is the exact moment of meeting the Guru, and this I am going to post unfiltered, unedited, as it is, so that you too get inspired to meet this superpower. No one in the world will transform you. No one will work on you. Only I will work on you. And I have worked on Bo, and he's so happy right now
And tired.
and tired, but joyful.
Yeah.
Yes, it was a long journey. So let me wrap up. You will soon see this video coming up, and it will touch and pierce through your heart. How much of surrenderedness is required? He is an exemplary student of mine. He has dropped all his ego. He has not thought twice. He is the student who got connected to me in 2 seconds. When he watched my video for the first time, he got connected to me in 2 seconds. In next 30 minutes, he was free. I enlightened him, and now is the post-enlightenment journey. That is the journey of dismantling to become a phoenix. He has been in the Phoenix project for the last 6 months, and this is the physical project with him to dismantle whatever is left out. So the last laughter, Bo. Investing everything of his life to get transformed. And let me tell you what kind of ego he is dismantling. He is world's best tennis coach. His students are world champions in tennis. And he has given up that ego of being a tennis coach. And he is living his how many years of tennis coach?
35.
35 years of tennis coach he is giving up. And he is just giving up to become nothing. And it was a difficult decision, but he is happy doing that. He is here to become nothing. He is here to dismantle everything. So I can just give you his example that if you can become someone, then become like Bo, who has trusted the Guru unconditionally. You don't know how to trust the Guru. You doubt the Guru. You see the form. You don't see the formless. He was in his spiritual journey for last 40 years. but never got freed until he met me. And when he met me, he experienced the real essence of life. So, give one last message to all the seekers who are wasting their life in collecting information and doing spiritual shopping and not living life.
Seek that whereas everything is known.
Explain little bit, because they are very new to this journey, so they don't know the essence of it. So little bit of explanation will help.
I'm too tired. I'm too tired now.
Yes.
Ah, just-
Thank you so much. It's okay. It's okay. Let you do your journey, and I'm there for you. Bye bye. Last bye bye.
A moment when
They,
the lady
the
was
cleaner, when the cleaner came,
yeah. And then
they are smart. See, they are smart. When you come, they go away, and they again join. Smart dogs.
Yeah.
They will again come. So this is the treat we are enjoying.
Yeah, it's so nice. Thank
Coffee
you.
with veg puff. And this is life.
There's a famous quote from one of the old gurus. I don't remember what his name. He said, "What you are looking for is what's looking." You must have heard.
So enjoy. Feel the stillness on top of your head and how Kundalini is moving, making you peaceful. You are almost dismantling. Because of my presence and power. This spot is energized by me, and this is the vortex I have created for you to experience the stillness. Whatever you are holding so far, you need to get free from it. All the garbage that you have collected till now needs to be thrown away. It is too long period of a period of 40 years when you were holding to your past. Kundalini awakened in you at the age of 20, and still you are carrying that garbage. Even the bliss when experienced for long time is a suffering, because that is stagnant energy. For last 40 years you are experiencing the past. Every moment you remember that moment of awakening when you felt the joy of life. But after that, nothing happened. This means for the last 40 years, you have not lived life. You have not lived, never lived life in the present. You have always lived life in the past, remembering that moment. So drop your shoulder, drop all the tension in the body, and just feel the freedom in this moment. Life will not give you any other chance. This is the last chance. If you don't do it now, a time will come, energy will leave the body. And there is no guarantee it will happen in any other birth, because there is no guarantee whether you will take another birth. So be ready to die right now. Drop everything. Whatever the Guru says, follow it. Surrender completely. Throw away everything that you feel, think, assume you are. You're nothing. You're pure energy. And that is what you need to experience. Be like this until I ask you to open your eyes and feel the difference in your energy. This side. Feel with all your senses right now what you are seeing, what you are listening, the sound of the fountain, water falling, the breeze touching your skin, the coolness of the weather at 3 a.m. in the morning, which you have never experienced. This moment has never come before. This moment is only now. And if you miss this moment, you are missing life. You are missing life. Life is here and now, not in the future, not in the past. The joy and bliss is here and now. Experience it. And if you remain in this state 24/7, that is real freedom. So feel it. The mind is like these cars passing by. Thoughts, one after another. White thoughts, grey thoughts. These are the grey thoughts. Different shape, different size of thoughts. And not a single thought stays. Only the observer stays. Only the you stays. The chaos of the mind. Random thoughts, obsessive thoughts, thoughts about past, thoughts about future, thoughts about... The thought is always of the past or future, never of the present. But this witness is of the present moment. So observe it completely. Sometimes bigger thoughts will come in the form of that bus and take you away from the present moment. Big events, thoughts about big events, the big bus coming.